This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Colowipe Neo Bowel Preparation Delicious Orange Flavor Kit is a vital solution for adults undergoing colonoscopy. This preparation aids in cleansing the colon thoroughly before the procedure. Indications and uses. This kit is indicated for the effective cleansing of the colon prior to a colonoscopy. By using a combination of magnesium sulphate, potassium sulphate, and sodium sulphate, it promotes the easy passage of stools, ensuring that the colon is free of any waste that could hinder examination. How it works. The components in this preparation work by absorbing water from surrounding tissues, which hydrates and softens stools, facilitating their passage and ensuring thorough cleansing of the colon. Directions for use. For optimal results, take this preparation as advised by your physician. It is typically administered in 2 doses, the first dose in the evening before the colonoscopy and the second dose on the morning of the procedure. The specific timing and dosage may vary based on individual health conditions and should be determined by a healthcare provider. Possible side effects. The use of this bowel preparation may result in common side effects such as abdominal distension, discomfort, nausea, and headaches. It is essential to monitor these symptoms and seek medical advice if they worsen. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised for individuals with renal issues, heart diseases, or those who are pregnant or breastfeeding. It is crucial to consult a healthcare professional before using this preparation to avoid potential complications. FAQs. 1. What is this kit used for? It is used for cleansing the colon before a colonoscopy. 2. What happens if you take more than the required dose? Consult your doctor or visit a hospital immediately. 3. What side effects can occur? Common side effects include abdominal discomfort, nausea, and headaches. 4. Who should avoid using this kit? Those allergic to its ingredients or with renal impairment should not use it. 5. How does it work? It softens and hydrates stools for easier passage. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We appreciate your engagement.